Hello, you're with Libby from libbystamps.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And today I'm bringing you another Brusho technique. And again, I don't have a finished sample, but I will have one to put on my blog when our image today dries. Now, what we're going to do today is actually look at decorative masks from Stampin' Up with the watercolour paper. Just get this one out here. This is the Sweet Soiree decorative mask, and just going to take this one out and lay it down on the watercolour paper. So the watercolour paper is 8.5 by 12.8 centimetres. I'm just going to lay that down there like that, and then I'm just going to get some crystals. So this is the moss green, and I'm just going to sprinkle the crystals over the top of the mask. Now you can buy the Brusho colour crystals in my online store. We've got a thunderstorm happening at the moment, so you can probably hear the rumble. Yes, so you can buy these in my online store. So go to libbystamps.com and click on the shop button. So I've just put down some moss green. I'm going to add a bit of yellow. I don't want to add too many different colours when I'm doing this. I just want to see what the effect is going to be. I've got more watercolour paper so I can put it on top. Alright, and then I'm just going to spray water over the top here. Just spraying from a bit of a distance, and then we're going to do something else here in a minute. Alright, so that's one technique. Now the other one I wanted to do. Alright, so we've got that line down there. Now what I want to do is just pop piece on top. Now I'm not going to move it around, I'm just going to walk my fingers over it to make sure I've got a good image. So these will have to dry, and I'm using watercolour paper, Brusho colour crystals, Sweet Soiree decorative mask, and Stampin' Spritzer for today's project. Alright, now I am just going to get my tweezers and lift this up, although I probably don't need them if I'm careful. I will use them. Alright, so there's one. That's an interesting background, and there's the other one. So I now need to clean my decorative mask. So they make great backgrounds for your cards. I'll just do a quick clean up here. And you can clean up with water because it is a water-based product. I'll probably just go and drop this in the sink for a couple of minutes to get all the colour off. But clean up with a paper towel or with water and get some interesting images on your paper towel too. So I'll just move that out of the way, and I'll bring these back in so you can have a look. Alright, so that was with laying the decorative mask on top and then sprinkling Brusho and then spraying from a distance, and this was laying it on top after we'd done this technique. So there's another background technique you can use with your Brusho, and I hope you enjoyed it. So that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.
Try to draw outside the line.